Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Let's learn how to add photo as a background to your Instagram story. If you want to add a custom background from your gallery to your story, you are in right place. So let's start. First, you make sure you update your Instagram app. Go to your Play or App Store to check. Then open your Instagram app. Now choose a post you want to share on your story. You can add your post or someone post. Now what you want to do, to take a screenshot of post you want to add. And go to crop picture from your gallery. Now when you've done that step, go to add this post on your story. Now you can see this is usually background, and go to change it, just follow my step. Go to click on this little sticker icon. After that scroll down, and click on this to add photo from your gallery. Now select a photo from a go. Now listen me, this is an important step. Then zoom out your post, and move it to bottom of your desktop. After that go to photo you add and zoom in on all your desktop, just leave it this little space on button. Now press on post and move it on central on your desktop. Also you can add a text, and you are finished. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.